Okay, so we are running EAA on the Verifit 2. First, to calibrate, we want to make sure our reference mics are about 1 to 2 millimeters from the coupler mic, and then we will close and seal this chamber. And over here we are going to right click, and under text box we want to hit calibration here. And you can choose left and right and hit calibrate. Okay, the line should be pretty steady, and it looks like it is. Now we want to make sure that the hearing aid is set to full on gain. So here we opened up Phonak Target, and we are going to Trials and Tools, Measurement Settings, and we're using the Noah Link Wireless, continue, and we have to turn the hearing aid on and off again. Red means it's off. Then back on, and it should pick it up right here. We're only doing the left. Continue. Connected. Okay, and now we can put it on full on gain, and to see what power your receiver is, you can look at the little, it's hard to see on the camera, but should be a little M right there. 2M. So we are doing full on gain for M. Then hit continue. Just wait for it to transfer. You should hear it going crazy. So that means we can set it up in the text box. To set the hearing aid up in the text box, we need this blue coupler, which says ANSI on it. ANSI. And the little cover for a RIC. This one's pretty dirty, but it will do the trick. And this if you want a clean setup. Okay, so we are going to attach this to the blue coupler. And then we are going to take our receiver and make sure the speaker is right flush with the opening and wrap putty around it so it stays stable. Finished product should look like that. And then we are just going to slide it in the blue side and use this holder to kind of set the hearing aid up in there. Okay, to ensure you got a proper setup, you should not hear anything when the hearing aid is on full on gain, and we want to set the reference mic to hover over the hearing aid microphones. So we want to take it off this and put the hearing aids in line with this crossbar, and then position the reference mic about 1 to 2 millimeters away from the HA mics. And then we are going to shut and lock the text box, and then we are going to right click on the Verifit. Under text box we are clicking ANSI, And we just hit start test. It's just ensuring that we got it set up, see how it's over the crossbar and on the reference mic. Okay, now it's prompting us to set the hearing aid in reference test gain. Phonac's a little annoying in the sense where we have to turn the hearing aid off and on again to put it in reference test mode. Kind of go through this whole process. So it will restore the other hearing aid back to its original settings, and then click start over. Still using the Neuralink wireless. And yep, it's removed from the client's ears and it's trying to detect. We have to turn it off and on. So opening this back up and hitting off. And then hopefully back on again. It's kind of tricky to maneuver and you want to set your microphones and stuff back up. Shut the box. So we got the hearing aid selected. Continue. Now we want it reference test gain M still. Just wait a little while. And here, you know, it's fully set when that triangle gets really tiny and it says we can start the measurement. So we hit continue. All right, now the test is complete. You have all your values that you need here to compare to the spec sheet.